Memphis. Let's try some barbecue. Payne's BBQ. Very famous. I'll go a regular chopped sandwich and whatever else you think I should have.
A soda pop.
A soda pop? And you got no ribs today, right?
No, we cooking them now. The meat man got here late.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, so you want a regular size?
I'll get a regular size sandwich, please.
You want mild, medium, or hot?
Let's try medium. So what do you? Oh, so you chop it up, okay? And then you throw a little sauce on it. Perfect.
Yeah.
Would someone show me the pit if I asked really nicely? Would somebody show me the pit if I asked really nicely?
Oh yeah, you come back here and watch. Watch.
He sent me for the ribs, so I just want to see him. There it is. A Memphis chopped BBQ sandwich. Doesn't this look special? Let's set you up. Looks like we got some coleslaw. Dude. 4-hour trip from Nashville. Worth it for that bite. It is smoky, perfect, sweet sauce on there. The tang from the coleslaw. It's the wood smoke you can taste. It's also that you're in this dark dining room that's awesome. It's perfect. Wow. Good start to tasting some barbecue and some food in Memphis. I wish you could see that smoke ring on it. It's perfect. And this mustard slaw, it gives it such tang, man. You don't get anything like this up in Canada where I'm from. Okay, that was the best barbecue sandwich I think I might have had. Okay. Can I take a photo of the pit?
Yeah.
Watch the step.
Thank you. My goodness, that was good. Okay, we got. Oh wow, so you got ribs on. And you do pork shoulders?
Yeah, those are shoulders.
Oh, cool. And what do you? And you cook it over charcoal?
Yeah.
Wow. So you got the ribs on there. Those are coming off. Shoulders and smoked bologna.
Yeah.
I gotta try that next time. Smoked bologna sandwich. Wow. Oh, so it comes right off there, and then you chop it here.
Right.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. How long are you gonna be here?
I've got one night.
One
So
night.
maybe I go to Cozy Corner or something, and then, or I was gonna try maybe Leonard's. What's that?
That's a bologna. You gotta try it. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A free bologna. What a beauty. I'm gonna have this bologna sandwich, but Payne's. That's gotta be some of the best barbecue in the world in Memphis. What a beautiful spot. Right next to a little tire fix-up place. Nice grocery store across the street. Beauty. Okay, she gave me this fried bologna sandwich. Look at this beauty. I don't know, smoked bologna, I mean. I've never had smoked bologna. It penetrates the bologna. That is so good. I mean, anything cooked over wood smoke. In that pit, I'll do it anytime. Anything in that pit, I'll eat. Smoked bologna sandwich, Payne's Barbecue Memphis. Until next time.